Aloha, people of the world. I'm Martin and I have invented the Submaran. As you might already figure out. Hallo zusammen, meine lieben deutschen Freunde in Österreich und in der Schweiz. Das ist jetzt wie beim ESC. Das ist die Show mit der Musik übrigens. So, we're back with a new boat. We have now made everything double as good as it used to be before. We also swallowed the costs, which is a really nice thing for you. So you can expect a really good product that will last forever. It depends on how you use it. This is the first tip that I'm gonna give you. Always 69 the chairs. Grab them here, and that's how you carry the chairs. So, I'm gonna tell you how to put the boat together because you purchased one, and thank you for that. This is the belt from the Supmaran Inox 2025. There's a belt channel on the bottom side of the boards where that needs to go through. So the question is, how do you get it through there? It's quite simple. You just take a piece of that plastic that was wrapped around the box that you got your boat delivered in. You put it through there, grab it on the other side, take a tiny piece of sticky tape, stick it on, and pull it through. Make sure, and that's important, there's a loop side that needs to be on the outside of the board. So you make your left board with the loops on the left side and your right board with the loops on the right side. They could be hooked in on the outside and be strapped on in the middle part of your Submaran. The next thing you need to do, go right through the D-ring, center, the D-ring on the other side, and you're good to go. Then I wish you a really pleasant and enjoying time on the water of the world. Have a good one. See you.